Okay, this is a drawing of a parallelogram. So they said in square grid below, WX and then XY, they are straight lines that form two sides of a parallelogram. So complete the drawing of the parallelogram WXYZ and label Z. Okay, so again, if you draw a parallelogram, you need to roughly gauge. It's like this. It looks like this. Okay, so your point will be over here. But how do we get a point over here? We have to use the counting method. You see, this line will look as if it's trying to shift its way over here. So how do we shift it? We have to use the counting method. See, from here, right, you go left. 1, 2, 3, then go up. 1, 2, 3. So same goes for this one. You have to go 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3. Okay, then you counted that it's over here. Remember, always use the counting method. It is the best way to do a drawing if you have a square grid. See? And then you have to connect. So from here, to connect from here, right, you don't need to count this one anymore. Okay, you can just start doing. Okay, just start connecting over here. But in effect, we can actually do counting as well. But how do you do the counting? It's like this. This is actually Z. So from W to X, right, it's down 1, 2 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's down 2 and left 7. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you see the counting method actually works as well. So remember, for drawing a parallelogram, drawing a square, drawing a rhombus, trapezium, whatever it is, you can use the counting method. Alright, done.